This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and today is Challenge Lock Wednesday, and I've got a real challenge here. This is Divinorum Challenge Lock number 1. He's got the key cocooned, and it is a Schlage key and knob cylinder, and it has that weird diagonal warding in it, so I'm using my number 1 hook in 15 thousandths, and the main reason is because the other picks just slide right off of this warding here, so I'm just picking it from the bottom and with a 50 thousandths pry bar. All right, here we go. Feeling 1, springy, 2, springy, 3, springy, 4 is binding. Got a little click on 4. 5, nothing, springy. 6, very firm, 1 click. All right, it kind of feels like it wants more, but I'm gonna leave it because I've had some bad experiences there. Okay, 1 and 2 still springy. 3 does come up to a spot where it binds, but not so sure. 4 is still where it's at. 5 is still loose. 6 really feels like my binder right now. I do feel some things dropping, but I got some counter on 6. All right, let's see if 2 clicks on 6 is a way to go here. All right, so, all right, 1 is springy, 2 is springy, 3 is springy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit 4. And it's got like this long, draggy feel to a really soft kind of click. 5 was loose, 6 is binding, got a good click. Not much to speak of on 1 or 2. All right, I just kind of dragged up to that same sort of very mushy kind of click on 3. Now 4 is binding nice and firm. A little bit of counter maybe. Let's get that guy. Oh man. No, you know that there's a click on 4. Thank you. Gosh. Not much on 5. 6 is firm. See that counter? Can you see just a little bit of it? All right, that was a click too. Okay. But we're still not in that really awesome false set that this thing gets into. 1 and 2 kind of got nothing. 3 sort of like nothing. Okay, I think I might have gotten something on 4 just then. And here we are with 6 real firm and the click again. What the heck, guys? All right, let me see if I can get this big old, get way up here with 1. Nope. That was that real subtle click again on 3, and here we are back at 4 again. So let me actually go all the way back to 6 now. This Divinorum, this thing is kind of camera shy, isn't it? All right, so 1 now is kind of down in the keyway. I like that. Got a click and some movement on the core. That's a good sign. All right, where am I at? That's 1. Here's 2 springy, 3's firm. Counter rotation and a click. See that? I think there's gonna be more on 3, I don't know, let's find out. 4 feels firm. 5, counter rotation and a click. 6 feels firm. Back to the beginning. Counter rotation on 1 and a click. Kind of lost some of the false set. Counter on 2 and a click. Might have gone too far on 2 there, doggone it. Okay, 3. I think I got 3 where it needs to be. Got that click out of 4 again. might have lost count there. I think that might have been 5. All right, 1 is down the keyway and firm. All right, now we're deepening the false set, although maybe that was 2. A little bit more counter. That was definitely 1 that time. And let's see what we can get out of 2. Nothing yet. Okay, I'm on 3, more counter rotation. Oh, big deep false set. See that? All right, buddy. That's the move I wanted to see. Okay, I'm trying to find 2. There we go. Big counter rotation. See how much counter there was? I can't wait to see what's on it, because the pick keeps flipping off of it. This is a number 7. I wish I had a number 7 in 15 thousandths. There we go. All right. Great lock, Div. Very fun pick. Woof. That lock was no pushover, buddy. That was no pushover. And I am going to not unpack the key, just because I don't think I have to, so I'm not going to. All right, as long as I don't lock this thing up while gutting it. Which, that's sort of a funny phrase, isn't it? It's like a prisoner being shot while attempting to escape. I'm just fooling with the zoom. You'll have to excuse me. All right, guys, here we go. Ooh. Oh, I just locked it up again. Oh, killing me, guys. Oh. Okay, I'm on the horns of a dilemma now. I have picked it, but I didn't unwrap the key. All right, I'll unwrap the key. Out of respect for your time, my dear viewers. Darn. Oh, what a noob. All right, I'll keep the cocoon here intact. I'll try. All right, and we'll see the bidding and everything. Okay, that's fine. All right. Well, I'm a little disappointed. Okay, maybe I should have used the gut wrench. What a noob. Okay. All right, I'm slightly zoomed in here, so I guess I better use that shim. Trying to keep stuff in frame and everything. Okay. I've got this follower is hollow, and it goes right around the whole actuator thingy. All right, here's the pins. They're green. I like that. I'm going to tweeze them out just because I can. All right, number 1 is standard. Number 4 is standard. 3 is standard. 2 2 is standard. And 5 and 6 are standard. All right. But there's some trickery in this lock. I don't know where it is, but it's definitely in there somewhere. So let's see what the inside of that guy looks like. Looks pretty standard. Smooth as silk. This is a nice kick cylinder. Okay. All right, now what did I do? I think this is the front right here. Right, yeah, because I pushed from that from the back. Okay, so I'll do the back first. I'm just going to stay right here, and hopefully we stay focused. This will be number 6. Oh yeah. I'm going to try to keep it oriented. What's facing us is towards the spring, so I'll put it up this way. And it's a very nicely carved little pin. We'll get it in focus later. I just made it a 180. I really want to hear the story of how these pins were made, because they were not easy, brother. Okay, that side was towards the pin. That's another really interesting looking guy. Well, it got shy on camera, didn't it? I sent Div a picture bragging about having picked it, and it was no pushover once the camera started rolling. Just gonna put the springs in order since they're different. So it looks like what we have here is gonna be standard core and Bible with these really cool pins. Oh, brother. There's one, a spring. Oof, these guys just want to fly. I'm pretty sure that side was towards the spring. That would be logical. Yeah, I mentioned in the package opening video that Div is a former locksmith or something along those lines, and one of his videos he just goes through stacks and stacks and stacks of all this stuff, pinning kits everywhere, and so I can tell, man, this is a beefy cylinder. It's thicker than your average cylinder. All right. Well, I enjoyed that very much. This guy, I don't know. It'll be really interesting to watch this with the pins visible, because some really nice carving on the pins. So one is got a little waist on it, and also some serrations, and 2 similar but different moves. I think 2. Let's see, 2. That wasn't the big fall. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to remember where the big fall set came from, but I do remember 2. I had to push way far up in there. And yeah, really fun pick. Good job. Good job, Div. Good job, me. How we like that? Ha! All right, guys. That's all I have for you today. Challenge Lock Wednesday. Thank you, Divinorum Lock, for this challenge lock. It was very fun. I'm scared of these things, so it was fun to pick it. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.